In this quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to interface BMP280 with ESP32. And also learn how to solve errors while interfacing them. Here are the required components. A BMP280 temperature and barometric pressure sensor. ESP32 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth development board. Few connecting wires. And a micro USB cable to upload the code. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Circuit Schools for interesting projects and tutorials. Now let's connect the wires to BMP280 and ESP32. Here BMP280 has 6 pins. 2 pins for 3.3 volts input and ground respectively. And 2 pins for SCL and SDA. Here, we are connecting them through I2C interface, so leave the other 2 pins, CSB and SDO. Now, moving to ESP32. Here, we are connecting the VCC pin to 3.3 volts and GND pin to GND pin of ESP32. Next, we need to connect SDA and SCL pins of BMP280 to ESP32. But on ESP32, those pin values are not printed. So, let's have a look on ESP32 pinout diagram where SDA is on pin D21 and SCL is on D22. Now let's connect those pins to the D21 and D22. That's it for connection. Now, to upload the sample code to display temperature and pressure, we need to connect the ESP32 with micro USB cable to your PC where Arduino IDE is installed. Now let's have a look into the PC where we compile and execute the code. First, open Arduino IDE and click on File. Examples. BMP280 library and click on BMP280 test to load the sample code. If you don't find this, you need to install Adafruit BMP280 library, link is in the description. So, below is the code, which mentioned I2C connection and initializing the BMP280 and printing the values on serial monitor. Before uploading, select the board as ESP32 Rover module. And select the COM port of the device. You can get that from the device manager ports. Now press the upload button. After compiling and uploading, open serial monitor to check the output. Select the correct baud rate of serial monitor mentioned in the code. But unfortunately, we got an error saying could not find a valid BMP280 sensor, check wiring. To solve this, first we need to find the I2C address of the BMP sensor with I2C scanner, like our previous tutorials, link for the code in the description. Upload the code and open serial monitor to check the I2C address where it was hexadecimal 76. Note it down and get back to our previous sample code and type the address in the sensor initialization line as shown. Now upload the code again and check the serial monitor where the sensor value like temperature, barometric pressure and approximate altitude is printed. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Circuit Schools, to help us make more interesting projects and tutorial videos.